this is the iPhone 11. So we're still unboxing right now. Just take this plastic away, open this up, and here we go. So whatever storage or whatever color you guys get, it's all the same actually. You will get all the same accessories inside the box. Now this is the special edition. That's just because the color, that's all. There's nothing really special about it besides the color itself. So that's how it looks like. Alright, so let's just take a look what's inside the box. And like I said, whatever storage you guys get or whatever color, it's all gonna be the same thing. So you will get these guys. The only thing that you guys should be looking for inside of here, let me just show you, is this guy right here. This is to take out and put in a SIM card inside your phone. Alright, so it's the same thing whatever phone you guys get, iPhone, they always come with this. So let me just set that on the side. And we got our headset right here. Okay, so that's the connection that you guys get. As you guys know, iPhones right now, they don't have the regular 3.5 for audio. You guys have to plug it in this way. Alright. And then we got our cable, USB cable, wall charger. It's all normal. This exact same thing that you guys would get with any other phone really. So let's move on to the phone itself. So this is everything that you would get in with your iPhone right now if you guys just buy an iPhone 11 right now, okay? So let's take a look at the iPhone itself. We're gonna see right here, this buttons right here, it's just like any other phone. It's just to put up your volume, put it down. This right here is just to mute it. Alright, so it's gonna vibrate if you guys turn it like that. On the other side, we will see the power button. Power button used to be with older phones on the top, but now Apple put it on the side. If you take a look down here, that's where your SIM card is going to be. There is no SD card input for any phone out there. So any iPhone out there, no SD cards, okay? This is just to hook up your phone. Alright, and charge it up. The back, you'll notice there's really nothing on the back. There we have our cameras. And yes, they are significantly bigger than before. So they do look a lot bigger. Alright, so we see our microphone right there, flash. Flash looks way bigger too. That's pretty neat. And our two cameras right there. So they look pretty okay. There's not much to the iPhone. iPhones are pretty simple. The design's really simple. I will be doing a review later on iPhone 11. This is just an unboxing for you guys to see it. I'm also going to be doing a setup tutorial for you guys and also a manual so you guys can have a quick look into how to handle your new iPhone 11. Right now, this is pretty much it for the unboxing. There's not much more that I can show you guys. Like I mentioned, it's just an unboxing. Once we come down to the manual and setup video, it's going to be different. That's when you guys see this in action and we can test out everything. You guys can see all the features that this has. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the unboxing. If you guys want to see the unboxing for all three, I do have that video. Or if you guys want to see just unboxing for this, obviously I have that video as well here and all put together so you guys can see everything that comes in the box in all these three. So once again, this is the 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. You guys can see them side by side. Now I'm gonna put them side by side but not on top of the boxes so you guys can see the size difference between them. So if you look at the size, this one's the 11 Pro, 11, and then 11 Pro Max. The 11 is right in between the two. That's interesting. So it's actually bigger than 11 Pro, but slightly smaller than 11 Pro Max. Now if you put them one beside the other, notice the cameras, same, different, okay? iPhone 11 only has 2 versus these guys that have 3. And again, just showing you how they look like and the color. That's what matters really and why most people look at unboxings besides looking exactly what you're gonna get in the box. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.